like rain. You keep your coat on the chair like a thought you won't say out loud. I watch your fingers trace the glass while the room goes soft and clouded. You love me, I can feel it, but you hold the door in place, like you're waiting for a sign to put forever in one perfect space. So tell me where you drift when your heart gets quiet. I can hold the night if you let me try it. I'm waiting for you to light up the day. Give me your sunshine to hide me away. If the world has other plans and it looks like rain, I will understand. It looks like rain. Tell me your dreams and don't turn away. I'm here for you and now, and every damn day. If it looks like rain, if it looks like rain, we walked past the park that spring. You were sold in your heavy doubt. You saw me smile at a stranger and dust off a falling out. You stayed while I threw the ball with some kids I didn't know it all. I was nothing but a man, still your favorite person to hear your call. Now your hands don't shake when mine are near you. You don't look away like you used to. Waiting for you to light up the day. Give me your sunshine, hide me away. If the world has other plans and it looks like rain, I will understand. It looks like rain. Tell me your dreams again, don't turn away. I'm here for your everything. I mean what I say. If it looks like rain, if it looks like rain, when it looks like waiting for you to light up the day. Give me your sunshine to hide me away. If the world has other plans and it looks like rain, I will understand.